The Bible's core message, made clear. Welcome to the Bible Point. Today, through the book of Joshua, we will examine the true meaning behind Caleb's famous declaration, "Give me this mountainous region." As Israel entered the land of Canaan and the tribes received their allotted portions, Caleb, representing the tribe of Judah, approached Joshua first. 45 years earlier, when Moses had sent him as a spy at Kadesh Barnea, Caleb had been wholly faithful to God. Because of this, he received the promise that he would possess the land on which he had set foot, and thus he declared that he would choose his portion first. He then said, "I am still as strong today as the day Moses sent me out. I'm just as vigorous to go out to battle now as I was then. Now give me this hill country that the Lord promised me that day." You yourself heard then that the Anakites were there and their cities were large and fortified, but, the Lord helping me, I will drive them out just as he said. This statement means that even though he is an 85-year-old man, he intends to conquer the Hebron Hill country, the most difficult territory to occupy in Canaan, with its large and fortified cities. In other words, before the other tribes led by young men drew lots for their land, this 85-year-old man volunteered to take on the most challenging task. This is the heart behind the words, "Give me this hill country." However, in today's church, the phrase "give me this mountain," or the hymn based on it, is often misunderstood as projecting one's own desires, what one wants or wants to do, and demanding it from God. This reflects a failure to understand the original meaning of the Bible. When singing this hymn in the future, it would be good to sing it with this heart. Lord, I will bear the burdens of the church. For the sake of expanding God's kingdom, I will take on even the hardest tasks. Like Caleb, I will be wholly faithful. Afterward, the tribe of Judah took possession of much land. They then gave the land in their central region to the tribe of Simeon, a weaker tribe that had not received land, and protected them. They shared the land they had gained with such difficulty with the weaker tribe. Caleb was a man of faith who took on difficult tasks himself and, through his sacrifice and labor, built up others. From now on, whenever we sing praises or pray, "Give me this mountain," may we pray with a heart wholly devoted to God like Caleb, bringing him joy. May our labor and dedication expand God's kingdom and bring benefit to those around us.